Back to our channel. Today we are going to see an important query which is update query in SQL. How this update query is used and how we are going to deploy it in SQL Server we are going to see. Yesterday we have seen the insert into query and continuation to that we are going to see update query. So the update query is very simple. So it is used to edit the existing records in the table, which is like existing values in the table. So to do that, we need a syntax. So what is the syntax for that query? The syntax is very simple. Just give the update comment, which is update comment, and followed by the table name. And then you have to use another two important comments, which is set and where condition. So these are all the important pointers to be noted for update query, which is update comment, set and where. These three are important keywords used for updating the existing values in the data table. Let's go for the practical session. So as per this, yesterday we have updated two players name, which is for Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. So now what I'm feeling is, instead of Virat Kohli, I'm going to give it as King Kohli. So how I'm going to do that is update table name, Indian players, hit enter, set. Set is the condition where you are going to change the name of the player. Now name of the player is equal to King Kohli, where jersey number is equal to 18, which means that I'm going to change this name of Virat Kohli into King Kohli, where my condition is jersey number is 18. So select this query, execute it, and it says our one of row is affected. So I'm going to give the command to view the complete table. You can see our Virat Kohli is now changed into King Kohli. So this is how we are using update command to edit or modify the existing data values in the data table. Hope you have understood this video clearly. If you have any queries in this video, please reach out to us through our comment box or our social media platform link provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in our next exciting video. Bye bye.